This story is about a company that has been steadily growing and thriving for more than 20 years. Every success story begins with a dream, a belief, and determination. At the same time, each story is much more than just individual facts. It encompasses important decisions leading toward a goal, small episodes and attention to detail, as well as difficult questions and simple answers. 20 episodes from the history of KOMFOVENT illustrate what lies at the heart of this name. The history of KOMFOVENT is inseparable from its exceptional leaders. First of all, these are two brothers, Audrus and Saulus Menkavicius, who had a vision of the future and managed to implement it by bringing together and inspiring a strong team. Our company's growth is unimaginable without its long-term director, Albinis Chepla, who bases all decisions on rational principles and places high demands on himself and on others. The courage to make unprecedented decisions, unconditional commitment to an agreed-upon direction is their general motto. Today, the pride of our company is its state-of-the-art ventilation systems manufacturing factory. However, as recently as 1998, all our employees could fit in 2 construction trailers. Later, some old warehouses in downtown Vilnius were adapted to the needs of our company by being reconstructed into commercial and industrial facilities. In 2003, as our company grew, production was moved to rented premises near Vilnius, and in 2010, it was moved to a newly built factory where it is being developed today. Our company continues to grow, which is why new production facilities and a modern office building will be built next to the existing factory. Few people know that all the units were originally designed by us and made by hand. However, the experience gained at that time allows KOMFOVENT to create the industrial-scale products of today. Our company's factories produce more than 20,000 units of ventilation equipment per year. Our product range encompasses more than 60 standardized models. In addition, there is a very wide choice of unique models that are designed and constructed according to individual orders. To tell the truth, our company began production not with complex ventilation units, but with simpler system components. Initially, they accounted for the greater part of our company's product range and sales. As our company grew and switched its focus to higher value-added products and exports, the production of ventilation equipment increased significantly, and today, ventilation system components make up about 20% of total production. These products are particularly important in the local market. In Lithuania, you can find many facilities in which not only the KOMFOVENT air handling units, but also the other ventilation system components are installed. At KOMFOVENT, from the very beginning, modern technologies have been an integral part of quality. The managers of our company have not been afraid to invest in the latest equipment. The production base has grown gradually, along with the growth of production. As production volumes have grown, there has been a growing demand for larger and more advanced equipment. The first machines purchased in 1998 were intended for plasma cutting, and today, a large number of machine tools and robots are used in production. Of particular importance are the 2 modern robotic sheet steel processing lines. The first one was installed in 2011, and the second in 2014. A strong brand name has been our company's priority from the very beginning. Brand development is inseparable from the development of our company itself. At first, our company was associated only with the Amalva brand, but with growth in the export of ventilation equipment, the need for a new brand name emerged. The KOMFOVENT brand was created in 2005 when our company was preparing for participation at its first international trade show, the ISH. At first, A character called Mr. Komfo was chosen to symbolize KOMFOVENT. Many people still remember it because of its long nose. Today's KOMFOVENT logo is a plain blue inscription that simply represents the very essence: comfortable ventilation. Our brand name is more than just a logo identifying our company. It is also its meaning and emotional face. KOMFOVENT's personality is the archetype of a just person, and the essence of its worldview is harmony in all its decisions. Our company has always striven to do the right thing in all respects and to rely only on true values. Over the years, our company has earned a reputation for Scandinavian quality. KOMFOVENT products development have been strongly influenced by the know-how of our Nordic partners. We have worked with them from the very beginning and have had to adjust the high quality of our produced products to Scandinavian standards and requirements. Our company has always moved forward, progressed, and invested its accumulated experience and knowledge. Initially, all design work was done in a single technical department where projects were developed, equipment was built, technological descriptions were prepared, and automation was designed. In 2002, a separate R&D department was set up with the mission to discover the future and to predict market tendencies and technological changes. Since 2006, all equipment has been designed exclusively with computer programs. Since 2015, our company has adopted the Paperless Office Initiative, which is a work environment in which the use of paper is eliminated or greatly reduced. Our company completely stopped using paper in the design process. This initiative saves resources, increases productivity, and contributes towards a green environment. Since our company has always been open to innovation, a special laboratory was a logical step in the history of our company's development. Specialized laboratory tests were started in 2010, and at that time, there was only one laboratory technician who used non-standard measuring instruments made by ourselves. In 2012, the Komfo Lab Test Center was set up, which carries out aerodynamic, energy efficiency, thermal, acoustic, and functional algorithm tests, as well as simulations of climate conditions. Today, our laboratory is used to develop, improve, test, and check our equipment. Even though our company has many distinctive features, rotors are certainly one of the most important of them. The first Almava rotor was made in 2003. In 2004, a rotor workshop was established, which made rotors ranging in diameter from 40 to 300 centimeters. This is the pride of our company, because only a few manufacturers make rotors themselves. There are a number of countries in which the name KOMFOVENT is synonymous with rotor production experts. Currently, ventilation equipment with rotors accounts for most sales, 75% of total sales. KOMFOVENT Automation Control, which we design and manufacture ourselves, is one of the most important factors in ensuring the precise and effective operation of ventilation equipment. We began developing our own automation systems in 2002 as the analogs offered on the market did not meet our needs, and we saw the growing importance of automation and smart management in the future. Almava 001, the first such controller designed and manufactured by our company, appeared at the end of 2004. In the same year, the concept of two types of automation was introduced: simple and convenient controllers for the end user and controllers offering extensive capabilities for commercial devices. Automation has been developed continuously, with more features and capabilities added each year. 2007, remote control via internet. 2013, a web server integrated in the remote control. In the same year, the BACnet control protocol and the ability to access via a mobile device were added. In 2016, the new C6 smart home controller was created. The formation of our company's product range started with frame construction units, each individually designed and manufactured to meet specific design requirements. The first unit of this type with a rotor was manufactured in 2000. Since 2005, frame-type units have been produced on an industrial scale under the Classique brand name. Today, Classique is the most flexible group of products for highly complex and bespoke projects. The experience gained from complex projects and non-standard solutions enabled us to better understand the main needs of commercial air handling units, as well as to offer the standardized and optimally tuned solutions of plug-and-play ventilation equipment for commercial projects. In 2005, after making the first ventilation unit of this type, a new series of commercial equipment was launched. It was called Verso. Verso selection programs, which were introduced in 2006, are able to generate thousands of modifications based on standard models. In 2016, the Verso group was divided into Verso Standard and Pro products. The Domect series was born because of the growing market demand for compact air handling units for residential premises. Domect, which was launched in 2009, has borrowed its best features from the Compact series with a clear emphasis on residential application. The main feature of the Compact range was that it offered all the technological solutions in a compact body. In 2012, Domect units were awarded Passive House certification. These were the first units on the market with a rotary heat exchanger to receive this certificate. This was proof that our products are a great solution for domestic use. Today, the Domect brand includes 34 standardized models with the latest C6 smart home automation. In 2016, the Domect series was expanded with products based on advanced expanded polypropylene technology, which makes it possible to produce innovative low-weight cases without thermal bridges. Discoveries and new technological advances are what drive the market forward and promote progress. The RHP series of air handling units is the most innovative one at our company. Even though the production of RHP was started in 2015, the first test RHP unit was built as far back as 2005. Over many years, our company has gained experience by testing various prototypes and searching for the right solution. RHP stands for Original Cutting Edge Technology and Design, a special control algorithm and automation, all of which have been developed at our company. The result is an exclusive device with an integrated heat pump. As of today, this is the fastest growing product range, with sales increasing 100% per year. Exceptional quality and efficient production are the basis of our company's competitiveness. Quality is much more than the quality of the product itself. It is also process control and attention to detail. In 2001, our company received ISO certification for the design, manufacture, and sale of ventilation equipment, something that it still has today. In 2003, our company was awarded the Lithuanian National Quality Prize. In 2013, our company adopted the Lean and 5S quality management systems in order to create value for the customers with fewer resources and increase its competitive edge on the market. The quality of KOMFOVENT products has been certified by Eurovent, TÜV, RTL Gerät, and Passive House. Last but not least, the most interesting certificate is the star called Amalva, which we received in 2007. It shows us the direction to success. Our company's manufacturing facilities crossed the borders of Lithuania very long ago. KOMFOVENT air ducts have been produced in Riga, Latvia since 2002. Production continues to grow and expand, which is why in the middle of 2018, a large production facility will be opened in Riga, where new generation fire dampers and ducting for fire systems will be manufactured. International development is one of the strategic directions of our company. Our export strategy since the beginning has been to set up representative offices in Eastern markets. Our first representative office was opened in 1999 in Riga, Latvia, our closest neighbor. With the growth of sales, a separate export department was established in 2004. However, the real breakthrough took place in 2005 after participating for the first time in the International Trade Fair ISH in Frankfurt. We established many important contacts that we still maintain today. This trade fair began our expansion into Western and Central Europe. We have a network of over 80 distributors, and it is constantly growing. We now export to more than 30 countries, and exports account for about 75% of our production. Each year, our company participates in 2 to 3 international and 5 to 6 regional trade exhibitions. Our completed projects are our best ambassadors. The Klaipėda Sports Arena is where we provide fresh air to thousands of people at the same time. The Biotech Rosva production complex in Kaluga, Russia, is the most powerful facility where our units operate. Our equipment nearest to the sky is in the Swiss Mill Tower, one of the tallest buildings in Zurich, Switzerland. Our equipment installed in the most strictly controlled environment is at the Falstar prison in Denmark. Our greenest project is the chimpanzee cage at Dublin Zoo. The equipment that is dearest to our heart is at Cardiolita and was entirely made by hand. It was installed at the Vilnius Heart Surgery Center in 2000 and has been successfully working ever since. The truth of the matter is that teamwork is at the heart of this success story. Our company's achievements would not be possible without a closely knit team, without its own professionals and dedicated employees, and without all our partners, representatives, and friends. Moving forward means moving together